a monumental failure, and there's not a vehicle owner if I can't drive.
To begin, I've already imported this clip onto my timeline. I'll trim a few seconds from the start and end to get the portion I want. That should work perfectly. Next, you'll notice the subtitle and watermark are visible. We can address this by adding keyframes for both position and scale. Start by increasing the scale value, then adjust the position based on the clip's movement. If needed, tweak the scale value as well. Now head to the Effects panel and search for the Spherize effect. Double-click to apply it, then go to the Effect Controls panel. Zoom in on the preview monitor and increase the radius value in the Spherize section. We also need to adjust the position of the Spherize effect. Start at this frame, then click the stopwatch icon next to Center of Sphere. Move forward a few frames and, based on Andrew's head position, adjust the blue anchor point accordingly. Continue this process to the end of the clip. However, you'll notice the Spherize effect is applied immediately. To fix this, add a keyframe for the radius parameter as well. Start at 0 and increase it to 200 over a few frames. This is one technique, but you can use others too. For instance, remove the Spherize effect and duplicate the clip. Click the circle icon to create an ellipse mask and adjust its size to match the head. You can then adjust the scale value and position, adding keyframes for the mask path and the entire clip's position. Personally, I prefer the first technique because it's quick and easy, and this is what you will end up with.
Can you admit you're a monumental failure, and there's not a vehicle owner if I can't drive?